Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a consistent character and environment in Google Veo 3. So it's an extremely easy process, and as you can see in the example video at the very beginning, I will show you exactly how to create something similar to this. So for this process, we'll be using the latest image generation tool from Google as well to get consistent looking images, which you can see right over here. All you need is a single reference image, which I got from the internet, which was this one right over here. I added a few more prompts. For example, I wanted to change the camera angle, but the key point is to tell the AI to keep the same styling and the same environment as well. It will do the same as you can see right over here, and then I went for the next frame, which was a close-up shot. Again, I described the scene properly and made sure to tell the AI to keep the same things as you can see right over here. And this way, you will get a consistent character design, as you can see right over here, including the car and the environment as well. Everything will be consistent. So here is a more close-up shot of that same scene. Again, everything is consistent. All you have to do is simply describe what type of minor changes you want. And always remember to tell the AI that you want everything to be consistent, as you can see right over here. I wanted this car to be moving, and all I wanted was the background to change as if the car had moved to a different location. You install a program. Then search for your AMD or NVIDIA software, depending on what type of stand, but the background has changed, as you can see right over here. Now for the next shot, I wanted, and after that, download the old version of the graphics driver and install that and see if the issue is fixed or not. So even after that, if the issue isn't fixed, simply wrote that prompt over here. And again, I made sure to tell the AI to keep everything consistent. The hand, the face of the car, everything, including the background over here as well. So as you can see, you will get a consistent character. Now, all I wanted was a simple outro for this particular video that I was creating. So I told the AI to reimagine the scenario and keep the camera angle behind the car, which you can see right over here. This is what the AI reimagined, and this is the same scene, but the car has moved on, but the camera is still at the same place. And in the last shot, the car is completely gone and has disappeared into the distance. So this is how you can get consistent images in an AI image generator. And now I'll tell you how to use these images to get consistent videos in Google Veo 3. It's an extremely easy process as well. So open your Google browser and simply circle for Flow. Then click on Create with Flow. Now first, what you do is you have to click on New Project over here if you haven't created any projects so far, but I've already created one, so I'll just open my project. As you can see, I've already created all the videos from Veo 3 using those images, and they're completely consistent. So as you can see, this was the first image, which you can see right over here. So now all I wanted was a simple close-up shot, which you can see right over here, and you can pay close attention to the facial structure as well, because it will be command to be sitting inside the car while doing the animation of opening the door and closing the door, which you can see right over here. And in the next scene, all I wanted was the man to start the car. So again, I wrote a simple prompt, which you can see right over here. All I wanted was the man to simply start the engine. And I simply wrote that prompt right over here after pasting the image, and then it gave me the exact thing that I wanted, which you can see right over here. Now, if you're wondering how to even do this, it's very simple. All you do is click on this text to video option, then click on frame to video. Okay, then this will appear in front of you over here. You can click on the first plus option, then click on upload, and upload your image directly from your computer. Now, as you can see, I've already uploaded my images, so choose the scene that you want to create. Let's say, for example, this one. So click on the image and the image will be uploaded. Then describe your scene right over here. Like for example, now he's starting the engine of the car. Just simply add that and it will generate the entire video for you. And one thing that you have to keep in mind is to choose the correct set right over here. So click on the Veo 3 option, then from the drop-down menu, choose Veo 3 Fast if you want to save credits. And you can choose Veo 3 Quality if you want the best quality available. But again, Veo 3 Quality will take a lot of credits, but it will give you the best quality. And Veo 3 Fast will use fewer credits, but it will also give a very low quality video. So it's totally up to you what you want to use. And just like that, I've created multiple scenes, which you can see right over here. For example, in this circle, I've just simply asked that the man is trying to pick up his phone, which you can see right over here. And then in the next scene, I just simply asked that the man should be talking while driving, which you can see it clearly did exactly what I told, and it is completely natural, and you can't even tell it was made by AI. And the whole thing was made from this simple image, which you can see right over here. And just like that, the scene ended. And here is the final result of the entire video that was made from Google Veo 3. You can see the consistency right over here. Yeah, I'm heading out there now. Should be there in about an hour. So that's it. Now you know how to get consistent characters in Google Veo 3. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care. We customize the performance for your GPU yourself. So the key thing is don't go overboard, and the customization has to be done by yourself depending on the system and the graphics card you're running. So I can't exactly show you that, right? If you have any pre-made profiles, use them because they're already catered to your particular graphics card. So that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix the GPU crash error in Marvel Rivals, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.